If I'm wrong, hold me to it later, all right? Chat. Yo, did I tell you that Diddy's lawyer's ass, bro? Diddy's lawyer's trash, bro. And again, I'm just going off like public shit we're seeing in the public. So let's look at this, chat. Let's look at this. So there's another. Yo, remember the whole baby oil thing? And that's why I told y'all. I think Diddy's lawyer should have sidestepped the baby oil situation or question. Instead, this fucking fool is damn near on a documentary speaking about baby oil. And he's not even saying the stuff that's helping Diddy. Talking about, oh, like, I'll play it real quick. Like, listen to what he said.
You would expect from someone in the mafia.
They're going to show
Case as a takedown of a successful black man.
TMZ presents the downfall of Diddy.
Bro, why would my lawyer be in a documentary called The Downfall of Me? Like, bro, like, why? Like, this doesn't make no sense. I'm a billionaire. Why is my lawyer on a documentary answering questions to TMZ? We all know TMZ don't give a fuck about nobody if you're not the Kardashians. TMZ's history's been slamming black niggas. Pause. Why is my lawyer over there in their documentary? It's not even like the documentary says, Diddy, is he guilty or innocent? It says The Downfall. It just assumes it's a rap. Now, granted, I mean, it is a downfall, but nigga, look at even the cover. The nigga look like a super villain, the baby oil freak off diddler. This is the diddler. This is like the diddler outfit. Pops up like this with a bottle of baby oil and lube. With a complimentary butt plug. Like, what? Why is my lawyer in this?
They have interviewed a lot of people for this documentary, and a lot of them have said game over after they saw the Cassie video. Does this...
I agree with you. Who said that? They got Diddy with the swiper, no swiping face. Like, what the fuck? Why my lawyer in this?
compel you to put him on the stand and explain it?
I don't know that I could keep him off the stand.
The niggas fronting Diddy's move. He said Diddy finna testify in the case. He said, I don't think I could keep Diddy off the damn stand. Now, here's the thing. This case is going to play out very interesting. The reason why I don't like him saying that, again, we're not talking, who gives a fuck about Diddy? Diddy seemingly is a creep. He probably did a lot of these things that's being alleged. We're not defending Diddy, but we do analyze or we look at these court cases, and you want to think that, people are getting great representation. Clearly, this dude doesn't have discovery fully yet, because if this whole baby oil thing is in discovery, he would know exactly how many bottles of baby oil they found. So he's not speaking on discovery. If they haven't got, and by the way, the pretrial conference that was going to schedule the time to transfer, or the methods to transfer discovery was 2 days ago, 9/24, September 24th, which was going to be the dates that, to transfer, not the dates, but we're going to give you a flash drive, or we're going to give you a private link that you could download discovery of whatever, or we're going to send this over to your office that you can know. And then they're going to go back to the judge and say, we have gave the defendant's lawyer all the evidence. So that was 2 days ago. So it's probably still, they haven't gotten all discovery. Maybe they got some, probably not all. Why are you on TMZ? Right? Why are you on TMZ, basically on a documentary that's premiering on Tubi? This is a documentary premiering on Tubi. And now he's fronting Diddy's move by saying, oh yeah, Diddy's going to testify. Imagine if the evidence kind of suggests Diddy shouldn't testify. Or imagine if, it is something that does suggest he should testify, but now you're giving a leg up to the prosecutor that Diddy is going to take the stand. Why would you want to only tell that and give the prosecutor the least amount of time to prepare? Where's the air of surprise? What's going on here? You don't have to tell us everything. I mean, it makes for great media content, but this is just dumb to me.
Does this compel you to put him on the stand and explain it?
I don't know that I could keep him.
Y'all said what's the diddler's supervillain power? Listen, and for men, we're gonna notice a supervillain power right here. He could ejaculate back to back to back for days at a time. A rolling masturbation, constant ejaculation. You feel me? Like his dick don't even go soft, okay? He just keep nutting and nutting and nutting. Yeah, that's his goddamn superpower right there, okay? All he just needs is some baby oil as lubricant, and he just keeps going like the Energizer Bunny.
Him off the stand. I think he is very eager to tell his story, and I think he will tell every part of his story, including what you see on the video. So
Chat, if Diddy take the stand, I gotta go to court. I gotta go watch that. I gotta go. I can't believe. Now, there's not gonna be a video if Diddy takes the stand. there won't be a video. So in federal court, they don't allow video recordings, or like they don't broadcast. But bruv, Diddy on the stand. First of all, you know that would take. He would be on the stand for a month, right? I know he would be on the stand for a month on some YSL Woody shit. Okay, we're gonna talk about every single freak off incident. Here's the. By the way, I think this is a lie. This is absolutely a lie, chat. It's no way he's going to be on the stand for a bunch of reasons, right? Usually in many criminal cases, you don't want to put the person on the stand. I'm going to tell you why Diddy's not going to take the stand, right? And what this guy's saying, before Diddy takes the stand, somebody else is going to tap some handler or capable person in his camp to say, your lawyer, number one, is talking too much, but if he plans to put you on the stand, fire him. Here's why you don't want to put Diddy on the stand. There's going to be a big source of contention. I'm predicting it right now. They're going to have to argue, right? It's going to be the Harvey Weinstein thing all over again. What happened in the Harvey Weinstein situation? There was an appeal that he actually got overturned, the verdict of one of his guilty verdict, because they used accusations that weren't included in the federal, in his case, okay? In his criminal case. Think about the Diddy situation. Cassie seems to be the only victim listed in the criminal case, which, if you're going by that Harvey Weinstein rule, or not rule, but what helped him overturn that decision to reverse the verdict, it means Little Rod cannot be brought up in court. Crystal McKinney cannot be brought up in court. Jane Doe, the 17-year-old, cannot be brought up in court. You can't bring up anybody but Cassie, right? Now, I'm pretty sure if we're all in agreement that Diddy is on trial because of all these civil cases, number one, I think the government wants to talk to these people already to try to bring them in for a superseding indictment, because having one victim looks crazy. But especially for the hoopla that we heard, not that, one victim is too much already, but still, they're going to try to bring more people in, but they're probably going to fight or have a motion to say, hey, you see in the grand jury, you could testify about things that aren't charged, because obviously it's a grand jury, it's to get an indictment. So the civil cases were probably a factor in grand jury testimony, right? Whether it's by a detective, because it's almost like a summary testimony at that point, where they could just talk about the investigation and they could talk about allegations, not necessarily ones that they have to prove. In court, you can't do that. You're prejudicing the case, you're prejudicing the jury. If, you can't talk about these other situations that aren't charged. Now, I'm pretty sure the prosecutor is either going to bring them in criminally, so superseding indictment, add a couple more victims, or try to introduce some way where the court could acknowledge these other cases that they feel could